Are you ready to learn how to sculpt nails? Let's begin! Step 1 is to prep your nail. Lightly buff and cleanse with alcohol. No need for primers or bonders or heavy sanding or drilling. Step 2 is to apply base. We are going to use our Stronger Base 1 gel polish today, but a pro tip is if you have super weak or long nails, you should be using our sculpting gel. Then you'll cure. After curing, we're ready for step 3, the foam application. This sometimes is the toughest part. So just try your best, and a pro tip is to try to get a pair of scissors and just trim it down right at the edge to make it fit perfect. Step 4, the fun part, we're going to build out our future length. Here, you should already know what shape and how long you want the nail so you don't have to waste any product. Pay careful attention to ensure the nail is actually attached to the natural nail bed as well. This way, when you are curing, it goes onto the natural nail. From there, you're going to gently and carefully remove the foam. Using Clear Builder, we're going to strengthen our extension now. Pro tip, if you turn your hand upside down, this will pull the gel. We're going to strengthen the entire nail from the natural nail bed, and in case we have any weak spots, we're going to go ahead and put a little bit more gel and cure. Now, we're going to cleanse with alcohol, shape, blend, and buff. If you see any areas that need a little bit more TLC, go ahead and only shape areas that you need to. Optional, do you think you need more strength? Put another coat of builder. Otherwise, we're going to finish with top coat. But if you wanted color, you'll do color before top. Don't forget to cure. And voila! Great job, everybody! You just learned how to sculpt the nail. Now remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing. Thanks for watching!